Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a demo of the Instagram bot. This Instagram bot is a combination of multiple modes and powerful features. You can use this bot to grow your Instagram profile and increase your overall presence on Instagram. This bot is designed to automate different activities on Instagram. It includes features such as automatically liking Instagram posts, commenting on different posts, following Instagram users, watching Reels, liking, and commenting on Reels. Now let me start this bot and show you a live demo. First of all, this bot automatically opens a Chrome browser. As you can see, Chrome is opened and Instagram is loaded. Now let me show you the control section of this bot. Here, the bot asks me to press enter after logging in. Once I press enter, the auto use mode starts. After that, the bot opens Instagram and begins performing different actions automatically. You can log in using any Instagram account. If you want to switch accounts later, you can easily do that as well. The bot goes to Instagram.com and starts executing all actions automatically. Now you can see the bot scrolling through the Instagram feed. After scrolling, it starts performing different actions. This bot can run 24/7 without any manual intervention. While you are doing other work, this bot continues to grow your Instagram profile in the background. All actions are performed like a real human, with random delays between actions, so everything looks natural. After scrolling through the feed, the board opens a random post, it comments on the post and then likes it. After that, it moves on to the next post automatically. Now the bot moves to the Reels section. It scrolls through Reels like a normal human, watches them, and then performs actions such as liking Reels, following users, commenting on Reels. Everything happens fully automatically. There is also a separate dedicated Instagram bot. This bot is specially made for automatic follow and unfollow actions. If you need this bot, you can contact me directly or leave a comment. My contact details are available in the description. If you are looking for an Instagram bot like this, or if you want custom features, or if you need a separate follow/unfollow bot, or if you need bot for any social media platform, then you can contact me anytime. Customization is available according to your requirements. All contact details are provided in the description. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.